Today I'll teach you guys how to change your name in Fortnite. So to change your display name in Fortnite, you need to first search for Epic Games. And over here, click on this option. It'll take you to the official website of Epic Games. Now, why you want to go to Epic Games even if you want to change your Fortnite name? Your Fortnite account is linked with Epic Games. So if you change your Epic Games name, your Fortnite's name will also be automatically changed. Once you're over here, click on the person looking icon and click on where it says account. Once you click on account, it'll take you to account setting page. And remember to log in into your account first. You can log in into your account by clicking on this person icon, okay? Once you log in into your account and come to the setting page, over here make sure you're in the account setting area. From here, you will see your option or your display name. Click on this option right beside the display name. Once you click on it, you can enter your display name of Fortnite which you want to change into. After you enter a name which is unique to you, click on this button. It basically means that you okay and you agree to change your name. And remember, once you change your name, you won't be able to change it for the next 2 weeks. If you're okay with that, click and confirm and your Fortnite's display name will be changed. That is how you guys can change your Fortnite's display name. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.